Periods can be a challenging time for many women, often accompanied by discomfort, mood swings, and various physical symptoms. It's essential to take care of your body during this time to avoid complications such as PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease, thyroid issues, urinary tract infections, and aggravated PMS, premenstrual syndrome, symptoms. In this video, we'll delve into 5 common mistakes that women make during their periods and discuss how to avoid them for a smoother menstrual experience. Before we jump into the mistakes, it's important to understand that every month a woman's body prepares for a potential pregnancy. When pregnancy does not occur, the body sheds the preparations in the form of menstrual blood. This process is natural but can lead to various challenges. During menstruation, women are often more sensitive, both physically and emotionally. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of choices that can significantly impact their overall well-being during this time. Mistake 5. Poor dietary choices. One of the most significant factors that can affect how a woman experiences her period is her diet. The food choices made during menstruation can either ease or exacerbate symptoms. Traditionally, women were encouraged to consume warming foods, which can help promote smooth blood flow. Foods like sesame seeds, dried coconut, and jaggery sweets were considered staples for menstruating women. Unfortunately, many women today consume ice-cold drinks, salads, and other cooling foods, which can worsen symptoms like cramps and bloating. Research has shown that magnesium deficiency can lead to more severe PMS symptoms. This deficiency often results from regular consumption of diuretic beverages like alcohol and soft drinks. To replenish magnesium levels during your period, focus on incorporating green vegetables into your diet. Options such as green capsicum, green pumpkin, and leafy greens are excellent choices. Additionally, turmeric has been proven to help reduce PMS symptoms. Hence, consuming turmeric water during menstruation is highly recommended. Ginger is another powerful ally during this time. Studies indicate that ginger can significantly alleviate menstrual discomfort. Consider replacing your regular evening tea with ginger tea to harness its benefits. The key takeaway is to eat warming, fresh, home-cooked meals while avoiding cold, drying, or heavy foods. Mistake 4. Taking cold showers. Many women believe that taking a shower during their periods is perfectly fine, but Ayurvedic principles suggest otherwise. A head bath, particularly during menstruation, can disrupt the natural flow of blood. This is because washing hair with cold water can lower the body temperature in the upper part, leading to an imbalance in temperature that can hinder blood flow. If you feel the need to bathe, opt for lukewarm water. This can help relax your body without affecting your menstrual flow. Additionally, adding a teaspoon of Epsom salt to your bath water can offer added benefits. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which can help relax uterine muscles, alleviate cramping, and promote better sleep. Mistake 3. Overexerting yourself. Many women wonder whether it's okay to exercise during their periods. The answer is both yes and no. Light exercise has been shown to help alleviate various menstrual symptoms, including cramps, mood swings, and fatigue. However, engaging in high-intensity workouts can lead to complications and potentially disrupt your cycle. Ayurvedic practices advise against certain yoga poses during menstruation, especially those that require raising the legs. Instead, focus on gentle exercises such as pranayama, breathing exercises, walking, or light cardio. A 10-minute session of Anulom Vilom, a type of pranayama, can be beneficial. Remember that your body requires more rest during this time, and neglecting to listen to it can lead to more severe issues, such as PCOD. Mistake 2. Engaging in sexual intercourse. Surprisingly, many women still engage in sexual activity during their periods, despite the risks involved. A survey of 500 women aged 18 to 50 found that 82% reported having sex while menstruating. While modern medicine considers it safe, Ayurveda warns against this practice, especially during the first 3 days of menstruation. The menstrual phase is a time for cleansing, and engaging in sex can create an imbalance in a woman's body, leading to painful periods and bloating. Moreover, for male partners, the health risks are also notable. Engaging in sexual activity during menstruation without protective measures can increase the risk of sexually transmitted infections, as viruses can thrive in blood. Additionally, bacteria can easily travel to the bladder during intercourse, raising the risk of urinary tract infections and potentially leading to conditions like endometriosis. Thus, it's advisable to avoid sexual activity during menstruation, especially when the body is in a state of cleansing. Mistake 1. Using conventional sanitary products. If you're still using commercial sanitary pads and tampons, it may be time to consider making a change. Many popular sanitary products are bleached with harmful chemicals, which can have negative effects on your hormonal balance. Recent studies indicate that nearly all sanitary pads emit volatile organic compounds that could disrupt hormonal levels. Moreover, dioxins, which are carcinogenic compounds, are present in many of these products. Since the vaginal area absorbs substances more readily than the digestive system, the risks associated with using these products are heightened. It's time to ditch these harmful items in favor of more natural alternatives. Switching to natural biodegradable pads, cloth pads, or menstrual cups can be a safer option. These alternatives not only reduce the risk of chemical exposure, but also tend to be more environmentally friendly. Additionally, many women make the mistake of wearing sanitary pads for too long. Prolonged use can create a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to infections. Research suggests changing your pad every 4 to 8 hours, depending on your flow. In summary, menstruation can be a challenging time, but being aware of and avoiding these 5 common mistakes can lead to a more comfortable experience. 1. Diet. Focus on warming, home-cooked meals, and incorporate magnesium-rich greens and turmeric into your diet. 2. Bathing. Opt for lukewarm baths and avoid cold head baths during your period. 3. Exercise. Engage in light physical activities and listen to your body's need for rest. 4. Sexual activity. Consider the risks of sexual intercourse during your period and prioritize your health. 5. Sanitary products. Switch to safer alternatives to conventional sanitary pads and tampons. Every woman experiences her period differently, and it's important to listen to your body and make choices that promote your well-being. Support from partners, friends, and family can also make this time easier. Understanding these practices can lead to a more comfortable and healthier menstrual experience, allowing you to navigate your periods with confidence and ease.